Now, if you're new to drones and you plan on flying in the US, there's a couple of things you need to do before you take off. Number one, decide on what pilot you want to be, and the FAA recognizes two types of drone pilots. Number one, recreational, and number two, commercial. If you're a recreational pilot, you are someone who is strictly flying your drone as a hobby or for recreational purposes. You're going on vacation, you're taking a road trip, you're taking pictures of your house. Basically, you're flying for fun. If you're a commercial pilot, you're flying your drone for business purposes. So if you're thinking about selling your photos on your website or online, or one of your real estate friends asks you to take a photo so that they can sell their house, you are a commercial pilot. And to fly your drone and make money in any kind of way, according to the FAA, you need to obtain your Part 107 license. There are a ton of resources online that you can use to access and help you pass this test. Number two, if you're a recreational pilot, aka you are flying as a hobby or for fun, in the US it is required that you obtain your trust certification. You can access this test by going to the FAA website and choose from the list of service providers. It takes about 30 minutes to complete, and the test is really good for new drone pilots because they're going to give you the foundation of what you need to know to fly safe and keep others safe around you. And number three, register your drone with the FAA. I made another video on this before, but think of your drone registration as basically your license plate for your drone. It costs $5 and the process takes less than 5 minutes and is valid for 3 years. You'll get a unique ID that you'll be required to label on your drone so that it's visible and legible. Number four is really a bonus, but think about getting drone insurance. Many manufacturers will offer this when you purchase your drone brand new. In my experience, I fly more confidently knowing that if something were to happen, I'm covered and I'll be able to get a new drone right away. So that's just something to think about. Listen, drones are a great way to tell stories, so if you want to get dope shots with your drone, you gotta start with safety. I'm excited to see what you're gonna create with your drone, and until next time, stay creative and fly safe.